Hello YouTube, this is for me to show you how useful the AC screen recorder is. So right now I'm using the AC screen recorder right here and starting. Now there is my AC screen recorder. Now you can download the AC screen recorder at the Google Play Store. Just type in AC screen recorder, no root required. Then search, then open the AC screen recorder, then install. I already installed the AC screen recorder. So what's new in version 4.6? View screenshots easier with image viewer, crop screenshots as you want, and other bug fix and improvements. So here version 4.6.1 was updated on February 9. So with this you can easily manage viewing your phone screen, making videos. So there it is, the AC screen recorder. You can download it in Google Play Store. If you scroll down, the notification bar indicates that the AC screen recorder is being recorded. The screen is being recorded. So you can record anything to make tutorials. Okay, so there is slow down. So that's it for today. It's very useful app to record anything on your Android phone. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.